A potato experiment. Growing potatoes in small containers. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I made an experiment this year on growing potatoes in these 2-gallon containers, and I wanted to see if they were gonna do well, and see if it's something that I can do later on, or if I can try different things. So this year I planted the Russet potatoes in this, and let's dig it up and see what happens, and see if it came out of if it did well in these containers. What I should have done was make different varieties in the different containers, but I put all the same variety in the containers. So we'll see how it goes. But next time I'll try different varieties and see if one variety does much better than the other. But all these are Russet baked potatoes, so hopefully at least the first two we got some stuff out of it, but hopefully we get more potatoes from them. I didn't spend too much time taking care of it or doing anything special to them. I just make sure I water them at least 4 or 5 times a week. And hopefully we're able to get some good results from it. Let's dig out the second one. See if this one is small. See if we get something better from this one. So I'm gonna reuse these containers to plant something else, since it's still the beginning of at least it's still early August. Should be able to plant some other crops that are gonna at least be ready to harvest in like 2 months. So I'll try to see if I can empty it and then plant something else in here. That way I'm able to use it for different crops. So this one is not looking too great either, even though I got a couple of potatoes from them. The first two are not looking too good. So we're gonna dig it in and see if we find any more. If not, we're gonna try the last one and see if we find something good in it. So definitely with this, it shows that you can definitely grow potatoes in small containers. But I think making sure that provided as much nutrients and stuff as possible, and the right variety, might be able to get some good results from it. So let's try the last one. So with gardening, you want to always experiment, you want to always try different things, because you never know. Even though I've been growing potatoes in different containers, you just have to try different things, different ways of doing it, different positions, different locations, because you might get a completely different result. You might be surprised to get a much better result in it just by changing 1 or 2 things. So that is it for the potatoes from the 4 containers. This is what we have. It's just like I say, this is at least 1 meal right here. So it's not too bad, but not as good as I expected it to be. So this is it. So that's okay. I will try, like I said before, I will try a different variety next year, and I'll try some different things and see how it goes. Hopefully it gets much better than that. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.